Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, we're going to see if I can give you guys a video on how to create your Plex account to be able to receive all the on-demand movies and TV series with my new Freedom Streaming Plex app. One of the first things we got to do is be able to create your Plex account. Now, this video is how to do this on a Fire Stick. I will make another video for those of you that have the Android boxes. They program a little different, but this is for the Fire Sticks. So the first thing, you guys, that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download the Plex app. So to do that, you're right here at home. You can go right there to that little magnifying glass. Go down here to the P. Okay, it's predictive. You can go scroll down through here until you find Plex. Right there. Click enter. Okay, it pulls up right there. Click enter on Plex. And we need to download the Plex app. This is the only way, guys. Plex, we're going to create you can create a free account. And you can get movies and TV shows with your free Plex account. Now, the only way you're going to get all the premium movies and TV shows, the most up-to-date stuff, is by creating this and then giving your information to me to put it into my Plex server. So the first thing we're going to do there, once it's downloaded, we're going to click on Open. Okay. This is going to show you that just by making a free account, you can go in here, guys, and you can see some different stuff, okay? It's very similar to like, if you have like the Nova TV, the BTV, the Cinema HD app. I mean, it's very much like that. It's free. But like I said, we've got a contract with them to where I own my own server. And to get all the really good stuff, you're going to need to sign in and create your account. So we're going to go up here to sign in. Okay. Right here, you can go over to sign in. Okay. Now, as soon as you sign in, you're going to be able to go to this web right here, this address. Do that on your phone, do it on your laptop, whatever. Okay. The http /plex.tv.link. Okay, type in this 4 code right here. Okay, that'll get you in there. Then you're going to use your email and create a password. Okay, at that point, what I'll need you guys to do is message me, Messenger, however you want to do it. I need your email that you've used for Plex. Once we do that, I will put your email address into my Plex server, and I will send it to you. Send you a link to let you congratulating you to Plex, and there'll be a place on there where you guys can click on it to accept my invitation. Once we do that, then you'll be ready to download and install the new Freedom Streaming Plex app. So you're going to have to do this part first, okay? Might seem a little difficult, and trust me, guys, if anybody has any issues, you guys know you can call me, the 432-214-4850. I'll be happy to help you out, walk you through on this particular part. This is the only way you're going to get the on-demand movies and TV shows with my app, all the new stuff, all the good stuff, okay? So feel free, if you guys have any issues, to let me know, okay? Now, once you've got that done and you've got your account active and everything else, you're going to click on the Plex and you're going to log into your account, okay? Once you've logged into your account, just press your home button, let it play in the background, okay? Now, to download my new Freedom Streaming Plex app, most of you guys have the file linked already installed on your Fire Sticks if I've programmed them for you. Okay. Now to find that, you're going to go down here to your apps and channels, okay? And you're going to go to see all, okay? Like I said, if I've programmed your Fire Stick, this is file link. Looks like a bunch of paper clips. One of them is turquoise. Now, I've also, you guys, created my whole brand new file link for my apps only. So it's going to have a different code than what some of you are normally seeing. So we're going to click enter on file link. Okay. Now, this right here is the new code to my file link, okay? If you have the other one that is 55647897, just go up, click on it, erase, delete that number, and put this number, 344-09944. Put this code in here. Go down and click continue. Okay. Same thing as before, guys. You're going to receive a couple of pop-ups. We're going to dismiss them. There's one. Just go over to dismiss and dismiss it. The very first app you see right here, Freedom Streaming Plex. This is the brand new one. There's also the Clear Choice, APK Time Black, okay, and my original Freedom Streaming Simple app, okay. That's the only apps in this. So we're going to click on the Freedom Streaming Plex, the newest app with VOD and TV series. So over here, you can see where the download button is green. Just click enter. Now, it's a big file, you guys, so it's going to take it a few minutes to download. This thing is pretty complex, I mean, as far as the programming part of it. So it doesn't download quite as fast as what a lot of your other apps do, but there's a lot to it. That's why. And like I said, guys, on setting up your Plex account, you guys, you can post in the group. You can give me a ring. You can hit me up on Messenger. Guys, I'm here for you. I will help you if you need it to make sure you get your Plex account up and running and what you need to do, so that once you download this new Plex app of mine, that when you click on your movies, it's going to work and play great. And I'm going to walk you guys through on exactly how to do that, okay? We'll give it just a minute here to kind of finish getting all downloaded. Like I said, guys, it's a big, big file, okay? And like I said, you guys, I've been in a dilemma for the last couple of days on the cost of this thing. As I've told you guys in one of my other videos, I never, ever want to price gouge anybody. Sometimes it's confusing on, well, you get 1 month for 10, an extra 5, blah, 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 blah. To me, it just made a whole lot more sense to make a one price fits all for 4 connections. And 4 is the most I can put on here for anybody. So the $25 for either 1 connection or 4. Pardon me. Okay. Now then, the Freedom Streaming Plex app now is downloaded. So now we're going to click right here again, click enter. And we're going to go down here to the very bottom, and we're going to click over here to install and click enter. Now it's installing the Freedom Streaming Plex app. So anyway, I'm hoping you guys think that from the response on the group, everybody seemed to think it was very fair. Unfortunately, you guys, the credits for the Clear Choice app and this app will not interchange, guys. It's a complete different service, complete different program. So those of you that want to still keep and continue and run Clear Choice, feel free. Those of you, if your subscription is about to run out and you want to convert to this one, you're more than welcome to do so. This is not a replacement for any other app. It's just an app that I've helped develop in order to be able to get a ton of TV shows and also on-demand movies and TV shows. Okay, So now we have the app installed. So now we're going to go over here. You have a choice between done and open. We're going to click done. Okay. At this point, you can take and press the home button. That's the little house button on your remote. That will take us out of file link, and it will take us all the way back to the home screen. Now again, make sure before anything else happens, you make sure that you create your Plex account. And like I said, any questions, let me know. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go move that new Freedom Streaming Plex app to the front here. So we want to go to See All. This will show you all of your apps that you have, okay? You can go down to the bottom right there with that silver outline is the Freedom Streaming Plex app that we just installed. On your remote control, guys, I don't know if you can see it, right next to your home button, this little 3-line button right here. Click that one time. You'll see this little menu. Go down here and click to move to front, and then click enter. Okay. Then you can click the home button right here, the middle button with the little house. Click that, and you're back to the home screen. Now we have this app now right here, and it'll stay there. So at this point in time, we are ready to be able to click enter on the Clear Choice app. I mean, the Clear Choice. I've used Clear Choice for so long. The Freedom Streaming Plex app. All right. A lot of this, you guys, is going to be familiar to a lot of my older customers that's been with me a while. This is another Smarters app. It's going to run very much the same way. You can see the blinking cursor there on any name. When you click enter, you're going to get your keypad. Guys, you can name this app any name you want. It doesn't matter. Okay. So let's say if you wanted to name it, well, I'll just do it for mine. Larry. Larry. Okay. Then we'll go down and click next. Next, it's ready for your username and password. Okay. So I'm going to put my username. Okay, then we'll click next. Now we're ready to enter our password. Okay, so I'm going to hide this from you guys. Y'all don't need to know my password. Like I said, now you also will have to get in touch with me before you're able to do any of this. You're going to have to send me the $25 through PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo so I can create your account here for the Freedom Streaming Plex app. Once you've sent me that, I will create it and give you a username and a password so you can put this information in to make it work. All right, so now for the password, okay? Give me just a second here, guys. Okay, once we have that done, then all we have to do, add user is already highlighted, so we can click enter on add user. You'll get this little box here. If you've typed in everything correctly, you'll see. You'll get your name and your username. It's not going to show your password, guys. That's a security feature. You don't want, if someone wants to steal your box or your Fire Stick, and then bam, here they go. So click enter on that. Then you're going to see it starting to download the channels, movies, and series. Okay. At this point right here, you've got your live TV, your movies, your series, but we're not quite finished. We want to go down right here, install EPG. EPG is your electronic program guide. Click enter on that. Now you can see it saying downloading and inserting your TV guide. Okay. Once it does that, click your back button, get back to this main window. Now, as you can see, your time here is in 24-hour time. If you're good with that, leave it alone. Also, your expiration date down here is going to show. It's a little harder to see, but we're going to concentrate and change that time to 12 hours. So we're going to go up here to this little cog, which is settings, click enter. We're going to go to here to time format, click enter. Go here and click enter on 12 hour. click on Save Changes. Okay. One other thing I'd like for you guys to do is click on General Settings. Go all the way up here to the top to Auto Start on Boot Up. It's checked. If you click Enter, it will uncheck it. Then go down and click on Save Changes. Okay. Now at this point here, everything should be ready to roll. You can see now we have our time, our date, and everything. So we can click on Live TV. Here's your categories. Okay. Any of these categories you can go through here. I'm going to show you real quick on how to put a channel in your favorites. It's very easy. Let's go ahead and go here to the Discovery Plus. Okay. Let's go down here to the Discovery channel. Let's click Enter. Okay. We're going to click at this point right here. You can see it's played in the little window, but we're highlighted right here. To put it in your favorites, just on your remote, press and hold down the Enter button till you get that little pop-up. Okay. We want to make sure the dark gray, add to favorites. Click Enter. Now you see it's put the little star. Now that means you have now put this Discovery channel in. If you want to go ahead and watch it, click Enter again, and it will bring it to full screen, playing beautifully. Okay. So if we go up back, now you can come up here and see we have one channel in our favorites. Okay. So it's real easy to customize this thing. So, and like I said, you guys can see from my other video on how you can split the screen, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So now, if you've got your Plex account done, you've clicked on the Plex app on your Fire Stick, you've logged into it. Okay. We should be able to click here and then go in here. And my sign in. Okay, here's that link I was just telling you about. So like I said, on your phone or your computer, you can Google, or you can put this HTTP stuff in your browser. It'll pull it up. And let's see here. Give me just a second, guys. We're going to sign in to mine. Give me just a second. I'm still new at this too, guys, so we're working at it here, okay? Okay, once you've signed in to your Plex account, it's going to pull right up and it'll give you a box. Can you see this box, you guys? Wanting that 4-digit code. So we're going to click Enter on that. Just click on that box. Okay. And you will be able to sign in. Okay. Once you click on that box, you're going to get your pattern. I'm just doing this from my phone. So do it exactly like it shows. Capital. This is mine. X3 P9. Once you've typed in that code, click Link. Says your account is linked. And as you can see, it's starting to prepare your stuff for this app. Now, you can see right here, My Plex. That's what you're wanting. Okay, it's checked. So we're going to go to the right over here to continue and click Enter. Okay, this shows all the stuff that you're going to get with onto my server. So we're going to, it's all checked. So we're going to go to the right, click Continue. Okay, now this is the general Plex stuff that you're going to get if you have your free account. So what we're going to do, we're going to link it into my server so you get all the good stuff. So to do that, we're going to go all the way down here to the bottom to More Plus and click Enter. Okay, My Plex, we're going to click Enter. And now then you are linked into my server. And this is where you're going to find all of the good movies. As you can see, 2021, all the good stuff, okay? All the new recent stuff even in here, okay? So, and you can go down through here, recently added movies, okay? Top movies in horror. Like I said, guys, there's probably close to 15,000 on-demand movies. It's incredible, okay? I just went to the left. Again, your movies archived. Here's many of them. Here's your box set movies. Very, very cool feature to have here. You can have all your different box sets that show all of the movies, okay? And anyway, you can just, I mean, kids movies, guys, there's a ton of kids movies in here, which is great, okay? And if we come on down through here, you have sports, okay? Different stuff you can see here with my service. Lots of WWE stuff and stuff like that. That's very cool if you're into that. Your sports pay-per-view. Now, a lot of these are fights that's already happened, okay? But if you missed it, you can go in here and click on it and watch it again. I mean, here's Israel and Costa, you know what I mean? So, a lot of different stuff in here that's very cool in case you've missed it, okay? TV shows. This here is now going to be to where you can go in here and click TV shows. Again, let's say if you wanted to watch Walking Dead, okay? You can click on Walking Dead. Up top, here's all of your seasons. So if you'd never watched this, or if you've only got through a certain part of it, click on it and click play. Super good deal on your TV series. And there's a bunch of them in here. Tons of different TV series, okay? Lots and lots of them. So, like I said, TV shows archived. You got lots of different choices here, guys, on TV shows. Some old stuff, new stuff. I mean, it's just really, really cool. So anyway, so I'm going to hit my back button and my back button again, back button again, back button again, till we get back to here. So now, if you've created your Plex account, you've done everything you're supposed to do, and everything, then you ought to be able to download my app and click on either your live TV, if that's what you're wanting to watch for your TV, cable TV stuff, or you can click on your movie section here and it'll pull up your Plex account. Again, we'll go all the way down to the bottom to More Plus, click Enter on my Plex, and there you go. It's that easy. I know it kind of seems it's a little different, guys. It was for me too. Believe me, I had to mess with this for a few hours before I even felt comfortable to make the video. But once again, please don't hesitate, guys. If you're having a problem, you're more than welcome to message me, or call me, or post on the group, okay? So just enjoy. I think it's a great service for 25 bucks. I mean, you can't beat it. I just wish the credits would transfer over, but from, Clear Choice or to this, but unfortunately this is a whole new company, a whole new app, so the credits will not interchange. Again, you do not have to have this app. If you're happy with Clear Choice, I'm going to still continue to sell service to Clear Choice. It is a great app. Biggest drawback, like we've discussed, is having that timer, having to log in and log out. Other than that, that app plays beautiful. Okay, this app, you do not have to log out and log in. It does not have a timer, and you get the VOD movies and TV series. So anyway, guys, if you have any issue, please do not hesitate. I know it's a little different having to set up your Plex and on my server, but I'll help you, I promise. Just let me know. So anyway, have a great day. Let me know if you want the app. Like I said, let me know how you want to pay. It's 25 bucks. 4 connections if you need them. And like I said, I take PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. So let me know, and I'll get you guys going. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.